Hi, Dr. Rick Weibel. In this video, we're going to learn how to log into SAM. So you'll see that I have SAM up on the screen, Cengage.com. If you haven't logged in before, then you would need to click the New User tab and enter your key code. I've already done that. No, look at this. Okay. Let's go back. Okay, so logging into SAM is pretty straightforward. Use your Marshall ID. Now, if you've logged in a different computer and didn't log out correctly, often you get a message right here saying, hey, you didn't log out of your last session correctly. Don't worry about that. Okay, so this is SAM. Now, if you need technical support, look, it's right here. Also, there are some information about how to do projects and other SAM help videos. So I suggest you look at these and see if there's anything here that might help you. Also, I've created a whole bunch of videos in addition to this one about how to do different assignments on SAM. So when you log into SAM, you land on this calendar page. Now, SAM allows me to set up specific due dates for every assignment. I choose not to do that. I let you complete the assignments as you want to. So if we go to the activity list, and I'm going to choose my Spring 201 section. This class meets at 1 o'clock on Monday and Wednesdays. Here you see this big list of all the 73 SAM assignments that are listed here. Now, they're not all assignments, they're not all things you have to do, but we'll scroll down and look at those. Okay, so there's the list. Now, the first assignment I want you to do in the syllabus is SAM, Outlook. Okay, now, based on the first letter of the product, I've created a code that tells you which assignment and the number relates to the chapter. So in this example, we see 01. That means Outlook Chapter 1. Now there's a SAM path. There's a pre-exam, and this pre-exam tests your knowledge to see what you already know. So you don't have to learn everything that SAM has to teach you if you already know some of it. Once you've completed the pre-exam, it will take you to training, and as you notice here, it says after the pre-exam, you begin training. So if you only miss one item on the pre-exam, you only have to complete training on that one item. And after you complete the training, then you can take the post-exam. Now, the post-exam is the one that I use for your grade. Also, you see that there is training. Now, this 01 training is the full training that's available in this chapter, and it is independent of the SAM path. So anytime you want to take training on a particular area, you can do that, and you see when you click the button that the SAM player comes up and it opens. And so here we're going to learn how to create a new email in Outlook. Now, the methods here explain that we can use the ribbon, we can use keyboard combination, which is Control-N, and we can also use a different version of the ribbon method. Additionally, if you have a Mac, then it shows you how to do something with a Mac, which I don't know anything about. Okay, at the bottom, we see this is the intro. There's also observe, practice, and apply.
In the new group, Click the new
You can
email
hear
button.
It plays a video
A new message
showing you
window
exactly
titled
what you need to
Untitled.
do.
In the new
observe
group,
mode,
click the new
it
email
shows you what to
button.
do, but it waits for you to do it. So as you see when I highlight it or move there,
A new
it
message
clicks the
window
button.
titled Untitled.
And then finally, we have to complete the apply. You can skip the other parts if you want to. And in the apply, you see it just reads to you what to do. And so then you're required to do it. And so as you do it, then the information down here changes and you can complete the training. So we are sending an email to Carter_Wilson, if I can type, at sjl.course.com. Okay, click the subject line. Thanks for sales data. And now down in the body of the text, and you hear the little click every time I do it correctly. Okay, and finally then we can click send, and it will tell us that our task has been completed. Yay! So that's how training works. Then once you've completed it, the important step is to wait until it says you've completed it, and then click next question or next task. Okay? Sorry, task completed or question answered, and it will take you to the next one. Now, when you're done, you can exit, and you don't need to do anything else. Sam will automatically record your grade for what you've done. Now, you can do the training anytime you want to and as often as you want to. Now let's go up here to Excel Chapter 1, which is E1, and you see that there's a project. A project is different from a SAM path. So normally you do the SAM path, it teaches you how to do the skills. Then when you do the project, you download instructions and you download a beginning file. Then you're going to, as the instructions will tell you, you will rename this file and save it as _2. So don't change the file name, just save it there, because when you're done, as you see right here, this is the name of the file it wants. So you'll click choose file and then find the file with that file name where you've done the work and upload it, and then you can click the submit button once you've uploaded it, and SAM will automatically grade your project. So that's it. So each assignment you're required to do a SAM path, with the exception of Outlook, which does not have projects. You will also do a project for each chapter. And additionally, if you want more training, then there's training available. Okay, one other thing that we can look at, two other things, I guess, actually. One is there's a capstone associated with each of the products except Outlook. So Access, Excel, Word, and PowerPoint all have capstone projects. Don't let the word capstone fool you. It just means it's pulling together all the things you've learned about in the first 3 chapters. Okay, the other thing is there are textbooks available. And this is the same as your printed textbook. So this is just an ebook. And for some reason, it's not opening. Normally, well, as it says here, it's reading, it's always available. So normally clicking on it will open the reader, and I'm not sure why it's unhappy with me today, but it's not opening the reader. So that's an overview of how to get started. Later on, we'll learn about reports and the gradebook. Remember.